saw some birds and no one say birds. And hey you, do you want a bird? A bird? Yeah, I'll take a bird. Which one do you want? Do you want the dress up Dr. Duck that says Aflac, or would you like the pain and suffering one? I'll go with the first one. Pain and suffering? No! First one. Oh, okay. Just press the stomach and you'll hear something. Woo! That'll be $5. Okay, you go. Woo! Thank you. What does this do? Yep.
Black.
Huh?
Black.
There's a black person behind me! What? We're gonna be good friends, buddy. Boy, what should I name you?
There's something for everyone, so play along on Jeopardy! Tonight at 7 on ABC7. At Compact Power Equipment Inc., we rent
I'm gonna name you Carl. Okay, Carl, here are my friends.
the United States and Canada. We also preventatively maintain and service commercial equipment.
Meet
Fortune 50 retailers.
Mario. Oh, I thought, what is that? It's a duck. I got him from some guy. I named him Carl. Oh, see. And Luigi. Whoa! Why's that freaking duck? Hear what he says for a message.
One of the resources that we can bring in good talent to be able to fill positions at Newport.
Here we go. Okay.
Available for students who qualify.
Thank you, boo. I'm just doing a breakdance trying to beat Luigi. Sorry. I'm beach. Yeah, they're pretty excited, I guess. Hi, everyone. Why is there a freaking duck here? I know! My gosh. Okay, what we gotta do? Mario, Koopa. Okay. What we gotta do about that duck? Yeah. Wait, I got an idea. What is it, Koopa? Tomorrow, we'll do something. But get your weapons. The blood. Da, 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 da. A pen to stab him with. And a broken pencil. So nasty sharp. Okay, thank you, sir. And FX lightsaber thingy for the adapter for the thingy. Let's kill this bird. Okay, but it's fucking here. Okay, take this out. Okay, he kind of got me. Thanks a lot, Luigi. Well, Luigi is taken out, so who else is gonna do this? Guess I'll do it. Take this, you little. Well, your mom not. He knows karate. This bird is freaking. It's freaking massive. Peach, take him out. With blood. Well, you got it. The blood won't work. Then why did you get blood? Because I thought I would look cool. I got this. What did he say? I think he said there's a black guy behind you, huh? Later on. Hey, Coral! Coral, wake up! Coral! Coral! He was so young! To be continued.